I'm here at Chennai domestic terminal. So the sky is looking a little bit gloomy because it has been raining here for the last 2 days. So I'm gonna get into the domestic terminal T1 to board my flight to Guwahati as I'm going back home. So the sky is not so clear, but somehow you can view the front part of the Guwahati domestic terminal. I really enjoy this gloomy weather here in Chennai. Oh. So I'm inside the elevators, 16, going up to floor number 2, terminal 1. Yes, thank you. Second floor of the airport. So I'll be going to terminal to board my flight to Guwahati. As you can see, towards the opposite of the airport, it was a little bit hilly with lots of greenery all around. And the national tricolor is flying high proudly. So I'm already inside the Chennai domestic airport terminal 1. I reached here well in time, and thanks to the technology, because even my boarding pass has been done online, so I already received it, so I don't need to line up. It's very convenient. Yes. Heading towards my security check-in. So my boarding will be on the boarding zone 3, security check-in point. So I'm in the boarding zone right now, but it's quite sad because we have a very gloomy weather and it was heavily raining right now in Chennai. So as you can see outside, the sky is not clear, it's a little bit cloudy. It started raining here in Chennai since the last 2 days. Not continuously, but mostly night time and the morning time. But today it so happened like raining during daytime. So I'm going down and it has been stopped raining now. And as you can see that Indigo flight is taking its flight off. Yes, so my flight will be at 3:55. So we have already done the check-in, and yeah, that will be much more easier. So the gate have not yet been opened, so all of the seats have to line up. Yeah. As you can see, the logistic arrangement of different airlines ranging from Indigo to India. Thank you. So we are getting inside the aircraft now. Yeah, we are inside the aircraft. So mine is 2A. This 2A. Yeah.
side.
Cabin crew, I'm on site. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain. My name is Hassan Khan. With me in the flight deck is
It cannot be seen properly because